I don't care how good your day trading strategy is. If you don't have a solid internet connection, it's not going to matter. And I have a live recorded trade for you all today in which I do lose my internet for a part of it. You all will get to see kind of my live reactions to that. Luckily, my recording stays on, so you all will get to see my live reaction to that. So hopefully you enjoy it. And then at the end, I also have another trade I took today that we will cover, and you guys will see the P&L from both of those. Hopefully you're excited. Hit like and subscribe, and let's get into the live action. Okay, this is a short candle. This is a short. You know what? I'm going to short it now. I'm shorting it now. We're over the green line. SPY is super weak. I mean, SPY, massive gap down this morning. And obviously, let's look at the daily as we enter this trade. Just extremely weak. So finally giving us enough bounce to get in short. So we are just going to enter the position here at 368.50. We are short 50 shares of SPY, breaking up above the highest point of the last 8 bars, and it was also trading below the 15 EMA. That constitutes a short for my strategy. Now let's see if SPY is going to have held this low and like rip my face off here. But yeah, SPY's just so weak. I have absolutely no qualms with shorting a spike here. I have absolutely no qualms shorting a spike here. If it goes up, it goes up. Whatever. You can't win them all. But with how weak SPY is, getting short spikes have absolutely no problems with. I'm gonna let it break this level. If it breaks this level, I'll get out. I'm not gonna exit. I don't want to exit prematurely. Back to green in the trade. Well, break even. Okay. Can we break it down this time? If I had to guess, there's going to be another big bottoming wick. Trend is your friend. The last 2 times has been a big bottoming wick. Seems likely there'll be another one. We'll see, though. We'll see. Holding, patient, getting out where I'm supposed to get out. I probably did paper hands too soon, but I got to do my day job, too. Fair. That's rough, yeah, when you're trading and you got to worry about your work too. You can't focus fully on trading. Yeah. Markets are watching your Twitch stream. Yes. The market makers are moving the entire S&P to try to get my $50. Yo, guys, this guy's risking like $50 in this trade. Should we shove the markets up 80 cents? Yeah, do it. Worth it. Worth it. We got his liquidity. We got his 50 shares. Yes. We got his 50 shares, boys. All right, this time there wasn't a bottoming tail in this candle, but we're still kind of at this low. I'll just continue. Will you stop, SPY? Can we just get like a continue move? I want to enter a trade and get a continue move. I feel like it's been weeks. Entered a trade and has gotten a continue move. Come on. Whoa. Come on, let's go low a day. Let's rip face here. Let's rip frickin' face here. Market makers are watching Amaranth. Uber's at an all-time low ever? That's not super surprising. Hasn't Uber never made money and has a shitload of debts and like... Oh, they had a positive EPS here. Okay, they've made money before, but... Nope, we can't just continue. Yeah, you're this weak. You're breaking down. I mean, you shouldn't continue. That wouldn't make any sense, right? Sorry. Why would you just continue down? All this weakness? Continue? We don't continue around here, bro. Welcome. Are you new to the stock market? We don't continue around here. We do ugly chop BS back and forth, and it's gross. And why am I moaning so much? I'm up 15 bucks and moaning. I don't know. Sorry. I'm trying the thing of if I moan hard enough, maybe the stock will go in my direction. It kind of worked, actually. It did kind of work. I was about to say something that was a hella pause. I'm glad I caught myself. You guys might be able to guess with the word moan, but all right, below red line is cover condition. We will maximize. It needs to be below the red line and above the low of previous candle. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Yes, no, yes. Yes. No. That didn't print below the red line, not yet. Touched it. It touched it. Oh, don't flirt with me like this. Don't touch my cover condition. You don't want to flirt with me like this, do you, Spy? I'm not much of a flirter. I'm a married man, Spy. I can't be flirting. Hey! Spy's no homewrecker. You see, it heard me say that. Sorry, I'm like really punchy this morning. I don't know, but hopefully you guys enjoy listening to me being stupid while I'm in a trade. Maybe some of you do, some of you don't, but fuck it. Alrighty, let's break it on down. Come on. Low a day, 367.39. That's nothing. You got lower than that, Spy. You got lower than that. After this, you got lower than that, friends. Come on. If it closes above this, if it closes above the low of this candle, I get out. Low of previous candle, I get out. Now, maximizing. Maximizing. Candle closes in 2 seconds, so we will not be getting out of this candle. If it closes above the low of this candle, I'll get out. Come on. Come on. It's so choppy, hardly a trend. How many drugs are you on that this isn't a trend? Are you also on too many edibles? Did you take too heavy of an edible this morning? If this isn't a trend, I don't know what to tell you, friends. I would love to see what your definition of trend is if that's not a trend. This morning? Oh, well, I'm not talking about this morning. I was talking about this. That's why I kept showing the daily chart when I was saying it. But yeah, you're right. I mean, this morning, I guess it hasn't entered trend, yeah. Although, to be fair, lower high, lower high, lower high. It's made 3 lower highs. It's made 3 lower highs and a lower low. I don't know. I reckon you could still call that a downtrend. Push, push. Push, push. Push, push. 50 seconds left in this candle. If it closes above the low of this candle, I get out. It's how we maximize shorts. It's got to keep breaking down. It's got to keep breaking lows for shorts, right? Come on, low a day, 367.39. Come on, big rip. Break that low a day and let's pick up volume and just crush face here. Let's make a couple $100 this trade, huh? Huh? I could use that. I could use a couple $100 trade. No? Okay. Might be getting out of this candle. Looks like we're going to be getting out of this candle. Well, there's still 15 seconds. Anything can happen in 15 seconds. That's what she said. What? That doesn't really fit. Doesn't really make sense. That doesn't really make sense, does it? Oh, it does. Oh! You remember when I said anything can happen? It did. It just closed below the low of this candle. We are still in. Now we exit if it closes below the low of this candle. Nice, nice. Come on, break it down. Break it down. Yes. Candle under candle. You see, chat, just moan. Up here, I was moaning. I was bitching. Oh, low a day test. Low a day test. Low a day test. Low a day test. No. 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 Break it. You bastard. Oh, will you stop? Woo! Low of day. Low of day. Low of day. Let's go! Maximizing. Maximizing. We're up 55 bucks in this trade. Not too bad on a 50 share size position. Ho! Lego! What? I thought you were already following me. Is that another account or just somebody else with the name Lego? I swear somebody with the name Lesco. I think there's an S in the other guy. Buy Spy? Nope, not yet. Because why would it break low of day and continue? That would be so easy. Ah. It would just be so simple, right? When Spy breaks low of day, continue. Spy is this week, and it just broke low of day, so it should continue, right? No, no, of course not. I'm new here. Well, welcome. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. You guys on YouTube, come follow us on Twitch. You guys on Twitch, go follow me on YouTube. Oh, oh, low of day. Woo! There's the continue. Wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's get gross here, Spy. Let's get gross. Let's get gross. Let's get grody. Got short, was patient, bada bing, bada boom. Streamer knows how to cross-platform. There's a fine line. You have to shill. If you want to be in social media, you have to shill. We're up $75, by the way. Wow, we just broke 367. We just broke 367. Oh, we're up $80. Uh-oh. But yeah, you have to shill. You have to be able to shill your social medias. But there's a fine line. You can't shill too much or else it gets annoying. So it's a fine line. I try to walk it. Maybe I shill too much, but... What a move! We did end up getting the continuation. You see, I moaned up here. I was like, oh man, if it breaks this high, I'm just going to get out of the trade. And then I moaned here. I was like, oh, it broke low a day, but it won't continue. Look, if you guys get in a trade, it's not working for you, just moan. Pause. But you know what I mean. Just complain. Bitch and complain. Look, Spy listens. Wow, we're up $90. What a move. What a move. Anybody hold those puts from this morning? A lot of people in chat said they had overnight puts. You guys still holding? You guys still holding? Very, very nice. Let's see a 1K profit today for you. What the hell would Spy have to do for me to make $1,000? I mean, I guess it doesn't all have to come from this trade, but still. What would it have to go to for me to make $1,000? That'd be a 20 points down move, right? No, you didn't hear me typing. I didn't just type that into a calculator. I knew it was 20 points. All right, so let's cover at 348. Any three? Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Any 348 covers? There's my $1,000 mark. All right, chat. Let's go. I don't think that's gonna happen. In before foreshadowing. Wait. Oh. Wait, can you guys hear me? Chat, am I live? Oh shit. My TOS disconnected. What the fuck? Can you guys hear me? Am I live? It's still showing that I'm streaming at 6K bitrate. Okay, wait, it's back. It's back. You can all hear me? Okay, thank you. It's back. That was weird. I don't know what just happened. It's back, though. It was a little scary. All right, we're good. Shh. Deep breaths, chat. Deep breaths. Relax. It's okay. Woo! Shoo! I got a little scared. I reached for my phone. We talked about this yesterday. We talked about this on yesterday's trade that, only use brokers that have mobile apps and have the mobile app downloaded. If, something like that can happen, you jump into the mobile app quickly and exit your position. Okay. 15 seconds. It looks like we may be exiting this candle as it looks to be closing above the low of previous candle, unless, mayhaps, 10 seconds, big breakdown. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it, Spy. Okay, I'll cover here. I'll take my $86 on 50 shares. I will cover here. That's a very, very, very nice trade. Sick trade. Short 368, held through a little bit of pain, but get out where you're supposed to get out. Do like you do. This is why the strategy works. And then maximize, right? Also, don't just exit too early. Don't just exit too early. We would have exited at 367.76. We got a whole nother point out of that trade. We made $50 from maximizing, where we would have made 36. That's why, maximizing, making sure you get the profit that you're supposed to get when a trade goes your direction is very important, right? Hold your winners. Holding your winners is just as important as cutting your losers quick. Because if you cut all your winners too quick too, you still have a poor risk profile, right? Very, very nice trade. Alrighty, so that wraps up the live recorded trade I had for you all today. We ended that trade up $86. A very good job, just shorting SPY into the strength, holding through a little bit of weakness, getting out where we're supposed to, holding to our stop loss hits, not getting out prematurely because we're a little bit red, and then we did get the breakdown. When we got the breakdown, we did a very good job of maximizing. Once again, getting out exactly where we're supposed to, according to my strategy, right? Which is what you need to follow. Now, if I go ahead and click on charts, I told you guys I had another trade, and you all can see it here. And we are ending the day up $116.75. Just once again, obviously, SPY is still super weak. Actually, SPY is, as I'm making this recording at 2 p.m., pushing low of day again at 365.5. SPY super weak, down another 3.5% today. SPY had a immediate bullish reaction to the inflation rate changes yesterday, but a huge meltdown day today, kind of exactly like what happened after the last inflation rate rise. It was bullish reaction that afternoon, crushed the next day. I talked about that a little bit yesterday, so hopefully you heeded my warnings with that. But anyway, ranting now. On to the other trade we took today. Just got short at 367.69. Shorted, obviously, spiking up above levels. And this one I didn't look to maximize as much. When it broke down below my cover zone. I just went ahead and took it. I didn't look to maximize this much because SPY just really wasn't picking up much of an intraday trend. And maybe that's about to change as now we're breaking lows. But at the time, SPY wasn't really in much of an intraday trend. It's kind of hanging out here for most of the day today, right? So when I got the breakdown, I didn't really foresee it coming and smashing lows and ripping. So I just took the profits kind of into the level here where I'm supposed to take the profits still, but not looking to maximize as much as I was here in this downtrend. This was downtrending, right? It made a lower high, made a lower high, made a lower high. This was downtrending. This, where I entered this trade, not quite so much. So a little bit less likely to maximize that. Happy to just take the profits where I did. Happy to end the day up in the triple digits while just trading 50 shares of SPY as we kind of try to build the account back up from the bit of a smashing we took when the market conditions shifted. But now we're getting very weak markets again. As you guys know, if you've been watching this series, if you've been watching my live day trade recaps that I post every day on this channel, we did very well when the market was getting crushed for those couple of months. Then the markets got strong. We kind of got worked, but hopefully, well, let's not say hopefully the markets keep going down. I'm not going to necessarily cheer for that, but if the markets keep going down, hopefully our strategy continues to crush it again, and you'll see more P&Ls like this and even larger as we can start to size back up as we continue to grow the account back up a little bit here. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this series. If you've missed any of them so far, if you've just found my channel, here on the end screen that's about to come up, there's a playlist of all my live day trade recaps. I think there's like 75 videos on it or something now. It's a ton of content if you want to watch, someone trade in real time, which I think is the best way to learn. That's why I post this content. Full transparency, live trades. Really think it's the best way to... First, it's the most entertaining, and I think it's a great way to learn, so that's why I post it. But anyway, I'm ranting again. Hit like, please. It really does help. It takes you half a second. Really does help the content creator. Hit the red subscribe button while you're down there. If you haven't already, it's free. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.